Hey guys, it's Nicole.
It's Brooke.
And this is Abby, my dog.
My dog.
Our dog.
We went on a walk today on the bike trail and we walked 4.6 miles to Starbucks because we thought it wasn't that far.
No. Oh my god! My dog just got stuck. Are you okay? Okay.
Stop that there!
Back! Okay, we're back. Abby just got stuck in one of these crate things. Like you would be walking in like a sewer type of
Like that.
like this. Right there, she just got stuck. But it's okay, we got her out, we're all good.
You're just touching my butt.
My bad. We didn't vlog on the whole way there. Because we forgot until like about 20 seconds ago. And I was like, let's vlog. So, there's a bug on me, there's a huge bug on. Oh, it's still on me, Brooke. No, I hate bugs. Okay, that's me experiencing bugs. And that's Brooke. Just let it live! Okay, so this is a biker. My dog's about to go cray-cray.
I got it. Couple goals.
Oh, she's gonna stay. But you can't have every guy.
Pretty sure everyone on this bike trail thinks we're lesbian lovers.
Yeah, but we're not. We're just siblings. Just kidding. Ew. She's my sister. Just kidding. She's ugly. No, she's my best friend. And so we went on point. What time did we leave?
5.
Like, no, I feel like we left at like 4. I think we left at like 4.
Yeah, maybe.
Like 4:15ish, because my parents, whatever. So, and then we started this bike trail. And then we saw some homeless, because we were homeless, because we were sitting outside of Starbucks with my dog, and
Our friends with me on Snapchat, and you saw it.
Yeah, we'll have everything like down below, by the way. And she's stopping. Why are you stopping?
Because she's smiling.
Because she's smiling. So we decided we were gonna start. Yeah, 11 feet. Oh yeah. We decided that after we got through this tunnel that we were gonna start running.
Not this tunnel.
No, that tunnel. But and then we decided after we got out of all those houses that we would start running. And hi. Our dog looks like Skip. Okay, so these are all these houses that we were talking about. Look at the sun. It's such a nice day out. It really is.
You're dreading.
Oh, she's stuck.
I get it.
Okay.
Oh, cute.
Okay. But we decided, since, what? The end of May, beginning of June,
yeah,
that we were going to start vlogging.
We haven't.
Yeah. That miserably failed.
Oh my god, there's a little chip on.
Okay, I saw a cat before, and I hadn't eaten all day. I still haven't.
She's crazy.
I swear to God, I saw a cat. I saw a cat.
If there was no cat, I literally turned around and there was nothing.
Okay, the cat had okay. It was like a little path.
No. What you were gonna say?
It was a pathway like this, and the cat was on this side, and I turned around, and the cat was halfway, and then it went in all those bushes, so you couldn't see it. And I was like, oh my god, there was a cat. And she turned around, and she's like, no, there's not. You're going crazy. So I haven't eaten all day.
So we're gonna
Hi.
go to McDonald's.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to McDonald's.
We literally just walked 8 miles.
Yeah, we're about to be walking 8 miles. I'm gonna run the rest of this though, if you want to vlog.
No, I'm gonna run.
We're gonna run and vlog.
No, we're not gonna run and vlog.
No. So.
We'll vlog when we get back to the car.
Yeah, Abby pooped 3 times, or 2 times.
She didn't clean it up.
I have not picked it up once, and I'm not going to.
You're gonna get hate comments for that.
I was kidding. They don't know where we are, so. Okay, listen, it was in one of these areas, and there's a bunch of other poop that she was sniffing, and no one else picked their dog poop up, so I was like, why should I pick mine?
You're the 1%.
Yeah, I am the 1%. Oh, and if you guys watch Orange is the New Black, damn, season 3 cliffhanger, am I right? Or season 4, I meant 4.
Just watch that show.
Okay, so we'll see you when we're done with our run. And this is a nice bun. Okay, bye!
We're back to the car. And we're really sweaty.
Really sweaty.
What happened to my lip?
What? Did you bite it?
I don't know.
Did you get stuck?
I don't think so.
Okay.
There's Abby. She's tired. She just tried to get into a fight with a dog.
Dog fight.
Dog fight. No, she's getting them. She's getting them. So we're chilling by the car, trying to cool ourselves down.
I'm about to die.
Probably gonna go get some food.
Like McDonald's, the worst thing you can eat.
Yeah, really, we just ran and walked like a ton, and now we're gonna go eat McDonald's.
I think I did the calculation. If I did the calculations right.
I think it'd be 2 because 4 plus 4 is 8.
And
Wait,
then
no, 6 plus 6 is 12. So it'd be
9.2.
9.2 miles we walked and ran.
Probably almost 2.
My face looks orange because of the sun. Oh, I got my eyes dilated today. You probably can't see it anymore.
I didn't.
That time I
Okay, no. Okay, so we just took the wrong.
Yeah, we took that wrong turn so that we couldn't get over.
Hey guys. Okay, so we just took. That guy looks like he's about to rob that bank. Is that guy about to rob that bank?
Yeah.
Wait.
He has a motorcycle. It's right there.
Boys.
Get away. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Nicole.
Okay,
We need to
anyways.
get out of here if he has a gun.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, he's just going to the ATM. He was just going to the ATM.
Anyways, the guy was wearing all black in a hood. We were not being racist. He was a white male with all black in a hood and some scrub. Okay. Anyways, so we are going to freaking see Finding Dory, and on the
Can you
way
like lower the tone? Like you're kind of making me upset.
Okay, so no. Anyways, Brooke was like, okay, bet $5 you go this way. And I was
You
like,
said I bet $5.
okay, yeah, I was like, I bet $5. But she was like, you
bet
go,
money.
shut up. You were like, I go this way. What do you bet? Never
I
mind.
know big bets because I'm usually fucking wrong. Why are we stopped? Screen light.
Okay, and then I was like, you go straight and then you take this right and then you're right there on the movie date. And she's like, nope, you go this way. And then we got up there and I was like, oh yeah, because I was like, yeah, you're right. Because it looks very similar to the place that I was like thinking about. And she was like, yeah, I know I was right. And then we went the freaking wrong way and ended up like near Bridgeport.
No, by
Brookfield.
We did end up an hour away, Nicole.
Okay, anyways, I was right.
and then she was right. I will tell her
the whole time.
Okay, I told her she was right the whole time, and she continued to argue with me the whole
I
time.
was not arguing. I was pissed.
She was yelling at me, and
Yeah.
I told her I was gonna take her home if she kept acting up, and she's
Like,
still acting up.
I'm
so.
not acting up. I'm telling everyone what the
This
you
is
did
why
wrong.
your mom yells at you because you have an attitude issue.
You are my mom.
I know.
I'm turning this off.
I need chapstick.
Isn't it in this
Yeah,
glove?
but it's locked.
Well, we're gonna park to get out of the car. I have to blank that all out.
It's gonna be like whoop, whoop. Oh look, we're at the movies.
Oh wait,
We went the
we're
right
at the
way.
movie theater and we went the wrong way, and we literally would have been right here. Like, you know what I'm talking about?
I know what you're talking about. I know exactly what you're talking about. I know I was wrong, and you just keep carrying on with it.
Because I'm always right.
Yeah, you are always right, except for that one time.
Okay, my friends were screaming out the window. They were literally out of the car.
You said, yeah, go that way, and then it was.
Well, because that was the exit we were supposed to get off.
No, it wasn't.
I swear to God.
Oh shit, where am I going?
Who was right this time?
Oh my God, what are these vans?
They're the Geek Squad.
Oh, I was right.
Oh, I was right.
Nicole,
I'm kidding.
carry on.
I'm sorry.
Keep carrying.
I'm sorry. I was just joking.
Carry on, 'cause I will. Is that a spot? Fuck, little car. Spot?
Little car. Just park next to this Jeep.
Where?
Right here.
So, we're at the movie theater.
And there's no parkings, but if we went the right way the first time, there
There
probably
probably still wouldn't have been parking.
would have been at least one spot.
Maybe we'll meet some cute boys here.
Okay, those all
Last
like,
time I came to this movie theater, we saw The Boy, that scary movie. It was actually pretty scary, but there was a lot of jump scares, and there was boys sitting next to me, and I jumped and kicked one of them in the ribs.
I never knew that. Brooke has a cracked rib, everyone.
Well, I have 2, but they're healed now because
But she had to.
I got punched by a boy.
Not her boyfriend. She
No,
doesn't have
not
one of
boy.
those.
Well, I have 3, but. Oh, car.
Is this guy backing out? I swear to God, I just saw his lights on.
No, it was my lights and his reflection. Did you see any spots?
No.
And it's kind of like chilly. Like, I'm a little chilly.
Yeah, we should have sweatshirts. I had a sweatshirt on, you were
stationary position. Yeah, it's too hot for that. Try clearing it and then opening it again.
I just did that. Did you ever download Instagram again?
I did.
I feel like a lot of times I'm with you accidentally delete apps.
I do. I always deleting apps because I always try to move them because mine are color coded. And then I end up deleting.
Whatever, I'll just play Drinking Friends.
Just play something. Good thing we got gas yesterday.
Yeah. I feel like...
How do my thunders look? Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you on this camera.
I also need my tires rotated.
Baby, I'm the man.
Look at those fenders!
Look at those fenders! The fenders though! Does this guy play Pokemon? It's Kevin Gay! Pokemon!
I know him, that's Brian.
He was here yesterday on the same flight. Maybe he has a bitch that lives down here and he's going to get it.
Yeah, she lives in the other side.
Oh, is he right over there?
I doubt it because he lives right there. It's a really nice long cabin house. So we're going to Jiffy Lube, which is off the highway, and we don't have any doors on. It's lit. So, and we're gonna put doors on to go see, and we're going down to Columbia.
Oh,
Baby, I'm the man.
what the hell? Who puts codes? Is that so I don't hit your car? Like I'm confused.
Let us know.
They're like,
Jimmy Choo.
no. My whole stomach is out. Hey, Max.
Max is her prom date. One of them. One of the 15?
3.
My Beamer still on Jimmy Choo's. Down.
This, what's that guy's name from Study Mop?
Yeah.
Down. My neck up.
She really only listens to country. I feel like this is still super simple.
One time, Christy went to a Fetty Wap concert, and one of the guys in Fetty's crew, like, messaged her on Instagram, was like, oh, like, come hang out with us tonight. And she was like, she didn't answer. And they, like, messaged her, like, 3 times trying to get her to come hang out with Fetty. And she wouldn't go.
Where did she go? We're wearing like the same outfit. So she's wearing her Be Kind necklace and Narragansett Beach.
And they're red.
And hers, that's red. I'm wearing this blue Be Kind necklace.
And we both have, like, ripped jean shorts. Mine are black and hers are just jeans.
Dick with your cute ass.
I only know that part.
I might buy you a new bag.
Oh, now it's hot.
So
Yeah, but when we're driving, it's kind of chilly.
Damn.
What are you gonna do?
Down ain't no.
We're gonna be sitting in Jiffy Lube for like an hour.
So we can vlog.
For an hour in Jiffy Lube.
Wait, what is near Jiffy Lube? I really hate how this side does this.
We can walk to like Home Depot.
Why would I want to go to Home Depot?
House. To climb in the tub.
Alright, put this flag up.
Let's Pro Quinto.
Pro Quinto?
Yeah.
I don't like it.
You don't like
No Hanlon? No Hanlon. No. No.
Pro Quinto.
Play tune after tune. Hold on.
Pro Quinto.
Pro Quinto?
Quinn Hanlon.
Quinn Hanlon. I like that one.
Quinn Hanlon.
So we put this flag up that she actually found on where?
The highway that we're going on right now. I'll point it out.
Hopefully we don't lose it on the highway.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't go back. Yeah, we blessed up the flag.
Said a prayer real quick.
And stuck it back up on old Julian, who's looking
Mighty friggin' fine.
mighty freaking fine, and he needs his oil changed because I'm a bad mom.
Can our kids date?
Me and you?
No, like, not me and me, like my Jeep and your Jeep.
You don't have a Jeep.
Getting a Jeep.
So if you ever get a Jeep, yes.
Okay. I need to figure out names.
Mine just came naturally. Julian, I saw him and he was just like, Julian.
My name is Julian. Wait,
You
what?
can't like think of names. You're gonna see your Jeep and it's just gonna come to you.
I'm like I want mine to be all black. So it's it's gonna be all black, but like,
That's so basic though.
but like it's like all black. Like I want,
That's basic.
I know, but
Ashley's doing.
oh, she just got her oil changed.
And we were gonna vlog in there, but during it.
Oh, probably not.
After what?
Leaving at 6.
Hey guys, we're going on the
the
boat. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, that's all I have to say.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you're
No.
in the vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi,
Sing back.
Tim.
Haha. LOL. Shut up.
Tim.
Or shut
Tim,
up.
look.
Put that in the intro.
I like this one.
We're gonna.
Stop. She's not even allowed in the vlog.
I am the queen of this vlog. Vlog's ready.
Nobody knows who she is.
This is our sister, Christy.
Hi.
She's a freaking turd. I'm getting a little nauseous rocking back and forth here. It sounded like you just threw up.
You have sunburn.
Yeah, I've been sunburned all week. In camp. I never go inside.
Oh, never.
Ever.
Not once.
Skipping it up over here. Okay, Brooke. Speak to me.
But what?
Anything. How's your day? What'd you do today?
My day was terrible.
Why?
I woke up late.
Woke up flawless.
Well, I didn't wake up late. I woke up and I had to go to cheer at 9. And I woke up at like 8:50. And went to cheer and it was hot and I'm sweaty. Oh, okay. Glad you want to know about my day!
Just wanted to pan back.
Anyway, it was hot and sweaty. And then we did cheers and nobody was listening. And then I went to my friend's house to swim, but I actually had to paint posters instead of swim. And then I came home and then I showed up and you were there. Cool. And then we came on this boat and the water's infected.
I'm so zoomed in on your face that it hurts. Christy, tell me about your day. Turn so I can see your face.
She did nothing. She slept until 4 o'clock.
She slept till 6:30 and was late to work at 7:03.
I wake up and it's 6:36.
Wake up.
I had to be at work at 7 at the mall, so I usually leave at 6:20. So waking up at 6:36 was not good at all. Really terrible, actually. Then I worked at the mall, vacuumed the store.
Your tongue looks weird in your Snapchat story. You should probably delete it.
That was rude. Then I came home.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg. Da-da-da-da-da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Home and I did some homework because I'm in class right now.
When you edit that, can you put Thug
Then-
Life over my face?
Yeah, now I'm here on this boat with you guys, and Brooke's knowing, but you're okay, I guess. Ew. Now I'm trying to edit Instagram.
Say home, question mark? Mom, you confused.
Nixon didn't even get an invite for the boat.
Oh my god.
Like, maybe if you weren't in Colorado.
Wow, I'm not even in that. Are you kidding me?
Maybe if you weren't in Colorado.
I play rugby. I do. I'm a flank. I'm a.
Okay, we're about to my queen, oh, I'm rocking my world. I'm head over boots for you. Good thing I panned out for that.
Hand out.
Oh, Brooke, what is this the car we drove to babysitting? When you couldn't figure out how to put the high beams on?
I drove this car home one time from gymnastics and I didn't know how to turn the lights on, so I drove home without the lights on.
The lights are right there by your name.
I couldn't figure it out. It was when I first got my license and I didn't know how to turn the lights on, and I drove all the way from Epic with no lights on.
No, you
at like
did not.
8:30.
In this car?
Yeah.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
But
Nothing
it's
happened.
fine.
They're on auto now. They should have been on all the
They
time.
weren't. They were off and it was raining.
You're an idiot. Did you get the windshield wipers?
Yeah.
Okay. So Brooke's driving home at the moment.
There's a car.
Mom, I stopped.
It's okay. Don't even worry about it. We gotta get the one that like you can just put your camera on it.
A mount?
Yeah, there are those. I'm getting a new GoPro. Yeah. Like her?
Oh my god, I want it. Can I have your dog?
Can I have your dog? He said no.
Did he?
Save it for another time.
I think it's a cigar. What are you doing? How do you make it louder? Not that burnt. Thanks for the boat, Day.
You're welcome. What kind of clickbait titles do we have on this? Boat accident.
Almost fell off the boat. Almost died today.
Story time.
No, we can't do story time.
Almost falling off the boat.
Almost hits head falling off boat and dies.
Turn this off.
Why?
My mom ruined this song for me.
Why? Look, why is there saran wrap on this guy's car? Wait, literally there was saran wrap all in that guy's car. Why does that guy have a ladybug thing with his wallet?
Why did I ruin this for you? I want to use this for your...
You're not putting this in my earbud.
I am.
Well, then you're not writing in my earbud.
Yes, I am.
Why? What do you want to do?
Write the song in there.
Write the whole song.
No, like, stay humble and kind. I told her to write, like, you're the worst daughter ever. Like, we can't wait for you to go off to college and get out of our house.
See, that she wants.
Yeah, I would love that.
Me too. I would be
Mother would never
Mom,
say that.
I would be such a savage if you wrote that in my
You would be such a what?
Savage.
And Matter looks so. I would do it for
I would
myself.
look so
Why don't you do it yourself?
Because she's got to pay for it, so she's
This
going
is
to
what
write
I'm writing.
it.
Always stay humble and kind because you need those words.
That's my Instagram bio. Stay humble and be
She's
kind.
a
Why?
mean-
Where's the smoke
she's a
coming
mean
from?
Girl.
Smells like
Stop being
sparklers.
a mean girl.
Truck's not there anymore.
I still smell incense.
You need to stop smoking pot.
Yeah.
It smells like incense.
Stop smoking weed.
You're smoking too much pot.
All I know is weed smells like skunk.
You smoke too much pot, Mom. This is a Pookie style.
This American flag.
Yeah.
If you play Pokemon Go, what level are you on? Comment below.
What's your favorite Pokemon? And
I like the Jiggly. It's a Jigglypuff. That's what it's called.
I like the little bird guys.
I don't like Weedles.
Weedles.
I want a Chizard.
I want a Charizard. God, now it smells like farts. When you dream, your dreaming come true.
Alright, we're gonna put this right there for
They
a sec.
can't see nothing.
That's cool. Fine, unless you want to drive super nicely.
Man in the room.
Man in the road, man in the road, man in the road.
He's gonna shoot us.
Pokemon Go. Here's how she My sister goes, there were so many little kids riding their bikes today in the middle of the road. I go, you mean Pokemon Go?
So many kids are gonna start using Bay.
Should I say Bay and X-Bay?
I hate Justin Bieber. Now, comment below how much you hate me because I hate Justin Bieber.
All comment on our own video, like, or should name it be like, she hates Justin.
Yeah, she hates Justin Bieber.
She hates Justin. Or, I don't know, what else is there? What else would you write?
What kind of clickbait title should we do?
Yeah, give me clickbait, guys. You know,
Now they're all gonna comment. Oh my god, you use too much clickbait.
I'll just edit this all down.
Just do the title clickbait. LOL. I'm feeling the sun. My girl is rocking that Billabong bikini like she's sponsored. Wait, you have me if I can rub that comfort zone on her. Yeah. You had to change it. But and we're spinning like the pesos. Might be Motel 6, but it looks like Turks and Caicos. Put a little liquor in my coconut water.
What? I just hit a bird.
What'd you say? I just hit a bird.
She just hit a bird. She killed a bird.
Flew under the car.
Wait, that's gonna be the kind of clickbait. She killed a bird.
That's not clickbait. I did. I just hit a bird. Alright, watch what you do. I couldn't stop. I hit a bird.
You're not supposed to stop when things run out.
No. So why are you telling me to pay attention? I couldn't do anything about that.
Wait, no. This isn't even a clickbait. She literally just killed a bird. Now leave the whole clickbait thing in.
This is awful. Awesome. You come in?
Go. Go.
That's a nice car.
Thank you.
That's a now? Yeah.
Have you ever been to this Papadella's?
No. Have you?
No.
Like this place has changed hands like 10 times since we lived here.
Because it literally has.
Northern Italian
Cucina, which is literally food in Italian.
I take Spanish. Well, I took Spanish. I don't take Spanish anymore. Because I didn't get into Supa.
Man, you should have went through that light. Now we're gonna be here forever.
Yeah, it's a red light, Mom.
It was a yellow light.
Tell that girl to behave.
No.
Behave!
No, Nick. Nick, I'm gonna kick your butt.
Behave!
How do you want to send it?
See ya. Oh my gosh, she's yelling at you.
Oh my god, she has money. She's a prostitute. A prostitute with
She's jamming. Oh, she's ranting about us now.
Oh my god, I'm trying to be with
She's cussing at us. She knows that you're like, oh, she's cussing at us.
Can we see that on her?
She's not looking at us.
The dad's looking. The boyfriend's looking.
Forward for the brother. She's gonna come out and fight us. Stop making stuff up, little girl.
Wait, this is fight us. This 5-year-old girl.
7-year-old tries to fight us.
Look at her!
Get away.
Like wave. Skirt! Get in the wait, what is it? Pull up, skirt! Get in,
losers, or going
Pokemon hunting! I love that thing.
Dude, I'm
Yeah, it's like there. I It's always there. We always drive by like, oh, police again. Police car at our house.
Yeah, because of domestic violence.
Yep. We're on.
Just, what's it called? Child service.
Wait, what is it?
What's going on, Billy? Remember way back when Florida Georgia Line said they teamed up with Tim McGraw for a song on their new album? When we finally get to hear it, Florida Georgia Line.
Wait, there's Florida Georgia Line.